today I'll show how I unexpectedly earned $10,000 in and how you can do it too with help of AI. Go to InVideo.io, free online video editor, and create an account. I already have an account, and then you will find this options. Let's say for example I want this video about motivation. As you can see guys, this website just generate a video for us, but you can be creative and give the site specific niche and extra keywords to generate something special. Let's check the video. You can guys upgrade to paid version to get more options and also remove the watermarks.